Hello drone video fans, my name is Bill, and in this 3-minute video we're going to do a little front yard fun with a Mobula6 Micro FPV unit. You can see in that shot that it's I had a nickel placed down there so you can get an idea. It's really small, and so consequently it gets affected by wind a lot. We took off here from my driveway in the front yard and decided to go right through this crook of this tree here, and then just do a little general flying around the front yard and the road and stuff like that. You can see there's branches there that you have to kind of avoid, but and there's one on the other side too. Also, when I come through here, you saw I got a little bit shaken up there because I got hit by a wind gust, I think, but I got my garbage sitting out there ready for pickup. It was a trash day, so we thought we'd get this flight in early in the morning while the winds were still light, and we're gonna zip through here again, and I think we're gonna go up over the top of the house and come back down the back side there. There's some work being done in my backyard for the CEI. Tore it up replacing a transformer on the backyard pole, so that was another adventure. Anyways, just a little bit of a break from the usual fare here. I still have a lot of different drones. Here we go again. I think we're gonna turn it around here and go back through the same way we came and got through there. Anyways, yeah, we do have a lot of FPV drones. Some of them are a lot bigger than, well, most of them are a lot bigger than this, and consequently they're not really good for flying around the front yard because of the hazard of possibly hitting something or someone. So we just like to take this one out when it's dead calm and get some flying in. You can see the signal strength there on the left side, about 65 right now, but it not a real strong FPV transmitter in here. It's only like 25 milliwatts, so and I don't have a linear antenna on my FPV goggles, so sometimes the signal drops quite low, but it's fun to fly these around just to keep your flying skills up. That it definitely helps when you're going out to do a shoot with one of the large UAVs, and you need to make an instant judgment about what to do in a certain situation. So getting some practice like this helps. Anyways, this is just a little short 3-minute demo flying around in the front yard. Hope you enjoyed it, and leave a comment if you're so inclined. Stop back again soon. We'll be doing another UAV shoot soon.